Hello and welcome to our video on understanding blockchain, the technology behind Bitcoin. In this video, we'll delve into the world of blockchain technology, its origin, and how it works. We'll also explore its applications beyond Bitcoin and how it's transforming industries. Blockchain technology is a decentralized system that allows for secure and transparent transactions without the need for intermediaries. The technology was first introduced in 2008 with the creation of Bitcoin by an unknown person or group going by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The blockchain technology operates as a digital ledger that records transactions on a distributed network. Each block in the chain contains a series of transactions, and once a block is completed, it's added to the chain. The chain becomes a permanent and unalterable record of all transactions on the network. One of the most significant advantages of blockchain technology is that it's secure and tamper-proof. Each block in the chain is linked to the previous block, creating a chain of blocks. Each block contains a unique code, and any tampering with the data in one block would require changing the code of all subsequent blocks, making it almost impossible. Beyond Bitcoin, blockchain technology has numerous applications across various industries, including finance, healthcare, and logistics. In finance, blockchain technology is used to create digital currencies, which are becoming increasingly popular as an alternative to traditional currencies. It's also used in trade finance to simplify and streamline the documentation and approval process. In healthcare, blockchain technology is used to securely store and share patient data, ensuring privacy and security. It's also being used to track the supply chain of pharmaceutical products, reducing the risk of counterfeit drugs entering the market. In logistics, blockchain technology is used to track the movement of goods across the supply chain, providing transparency and improving efficiency. It's also being used to track the origin and authenticity of products, ensuring consumers get what they paid for. In conclusion, blockchain technology is a revolutionary technology that's transforming industries and disrupting traditional systems. Its decentralized and secure nature is making it increasingly popular, and its applications are endless. As we continue to explore and develop new ways to use blockchain technology, we can only imagine what the future holds. Thank you for watching our video on understanding blockchain, the technology behind Bitcoin.